Hey, to record sounds on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to simply open your app drawer and find voice recorder. From this, you'll have to actually go into the settings and grant permission. So click on the permissions and now grant permission for the microphone and also for the music and the audio. There we go. Now we can just go back and now we can try to start recording. So we'll have to actually click just right here on this icon, accept another permission, and as you can see right now we are recording. If you want to pause this record, just click here. If you want to continue, tap one more time, accept another permission, and okay, that's actually my bad. Let's do this one more time. So to pause and continue, we'll have to actually keep tapping on these buttons. And if you want to mark something, you can just click right here and you get this information with the blue line. To finish this record, just click right here, and from this you can set for this custom name and pick the category. And then you can click save, and as you can see right here you can find all of your records. So that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel.